What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. I apologize in advance if I sound a little weird, I'm a little stuffed up, have a mild cold. What I want to get accomplished, well, I'll be throwing footage up from about a week ago of me breaking down the engine. The engine is dropped off at the machine shop and is currently getting looked at right now. I did change my mind. I am going to go with a more original appearance on this car for the engine bay. So I'll be doing the Chevy orange, which, looking everything up, looks like it's more of the orange/red appearance on this versus the true Chevy orange. I think they just changed that over in maybe the 70 and up or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway, be painting the block that Chevy red orange, and then gonna start cleaning the engine bay up.
It's got some marks in it too here.
I want to get all the accessories cleaned up. So all these pulleys right here, which I'll show you. So all these pulleys I have to clean up. I have just a little cheap Harbor Freight sandblast cabinet that I modified. I think it's the smallest one they have there, but I just resealed everything with some silicone, so everything is actually able to stay mostly in the cabinet, whereas before it would be flying all over the place. But anyway, anything that I can fit in there, I'm going to be sandblasting. I already cleaned up one of these engine mounts, so you can see how nice it comes out here. That's all sandblasted down, bare metal, versus this one that is not sandblasted. So they're not too bad of shape, but this looks way nicer, and you'll get way better results when you sandblast this stuff. You can see this is more of an orange red right here that I was talking about for the engine block. The other pulley there and the timing chain cover, I know I could fit in there as well. So I'm not going to film that, but let's get started and I'll show you the end result of that, and we'll move on to the engine bay.
So you guys are probably wondering why the heck I just don't drop out this front subframe instead of then cleaning it up in the car and doing all this extra work around everything when I start to clean up the subframe now. And the reason why I am not dropping the whole subframe and cleaning it up from the actual car is because if you can see here, how they painted this, see this line right here? They sprayed over the whole panels when they were painting. So they didn't have this separate for right there and as well as right here. So what that means is because you have to take this front end apart and off from what I'm looking at to drop the subframe because it's held on by brackets behind here. And if I did that, if I had to separate this, there's a very good chance that it is going to crack the paint and then start peeling and flaking everything back. And I do not want to do that because that means that I'll have to do a paint job. So you can see right down in here too, they just painted right over the line instead of separately painting the panels and then assembling the car. So that's why I don't want to pop the fenders off or anything like that. Everything is going to be staying on while I clean up this subframe and then paint it.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it this week. So next week, probably gonna be hearing back from the engine machine shop, or at least tell me what the next kind of plans are, if I needed to change any pistons or anything like that, which I am planning on going flat top pistons. So they're gonna, have all the measurements and everything that I need, what I need to order, and they're gonna press all the new pistons onto the connecting rods. Catch me next week. Hopefully I'm feeling better and not as clogged up and able to talk a little bit more. But I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and as always, have a great rest of your week.